That's good this time. There you go. There she goes.
It's a good one too. Oh, might be almost big as that other one. Good fish.
Boat flipped her into the net. She ain't that big.
Nah, she ain't big as the other one. Little fish down.
We catching them. Come on. Oh, shoot. I didn't see this.
One of them was
Yeah, one of them was. I didn't even see her. You go. Oh, shoot. She was still chasing. You got to get to this one. There's the other one.
That's the one
Yeah,
that was chasing
yeah,
you.
Yep.
That's the one that was chasing you. You right on them that time. There you go. There you go.
Is that another white? Shit. Ah, she's still growing.
Man, you should have kept. Where do you stop?
I was trying to keep her.
No, you were trying to see what it was. I kept coming you to hell.
Well, I can figure out what it is when I get it in the boat.
There you go. There you go.
She's still growing. We'll need the net. I'm not about to try this one.
What you got?
I got a net right there. Ooh, that might be two. That might be a two. That might be a two. 1/8.
Ooh, that might be two. You got it. That is a two.
Nah, I think it might be a 1/8.
That's a two.
1/8.
Two.
Grab my scale for me. Let's
I'm
check
gonna
it.
say two.
Let's check it. Let's check it.
I'm gonna say two.
They sat there. It was 4 of them sitting there.
Really?
It's in the glove box.
Two to me, boy.
Yes, sir. $174. I knew she was just short of a 2. But I'm gonna take her. She's nice. I ain't that picky. You ain't never hear me complain about a 174. Well, I guess I can't say never. You go to Grenada, you might complain about 174s. No, I won't complain about them. I'm not gonna complain about them. I just know they're bigger fish, but that ain't a bad fish no matter where you are.
Man, start complaining about a 174, boy, something wrong.
Yeah, you talk about bougie. That's bougie on another level. There she goes. I'm dancing on top of her head, and she came finally, and I missed her. Come on, baby, don't go. Where'd you go? God dang it. She came right at me and missed, and I missed her. I can't tell if that's her. Huh? Yeah. I don't know if I can get her now. I can't find her. There she goes. She didn't go nowhere. She ain't go nowhere. She's still right there. Right there next to me. There she goes. Oh, I got her that time, baby. I got her that time, Kemp. And she got away. Good.
She got off at the boat.
She got off. I was flipping her. Well, I just missed that fishing. We sitting out here fishing with pollen in the water. And I think I'm gonna show you all what I have my Livescope settings on for high pollen water. Let me open up my active captain, and I'll show you all what I'm sitting here, how I got mine set up. When you have pollen in the water, it's real hard to see your bait, your jig, so people are gonna be complaining, oh, I can't see my jig, can't see my jig, can't see my jig. I pitch to all of my fish because that's just the way I like to fish. Let me show you how I'm set up. Now, if this doesn't work for you, it's okay. This is just what's worked for me. I'm gonna call this Crappie Nugget, Drysdale Crappie Nugget too. It works for me, try it for you. Here's what my settings are. Sorry, my active captain on. So I have it set up as my Drysdale Sniper. So let's just take a look at how our settings are. I have my gain turned up to 77. Go to sonar setup. The color scheme I'm using is blue. My color gain is set up to 81. Color limit is set up to 67. My time variable gain, ghost reject are all off. If you change that, you can play around with it and see what it's like. So that's high ghost reject, medium ghost reject, and low ghost reject. Set it to how you feel works for you. I like mine at medium. I think I had it at. My TVG is off. If I turn it to low, it looks like that. TVG to high, looks like that, which is a cleaner screen, but I think you lose a lot in it too. So I'm gonna try this for a little bit. I can always go back to it because I have it saved. If you wanna know how to save your settings, you can hit this little star right there. And you can see I've got a couple of settings right there. You'll hit save. You'll name it to what you want to name it. I've got Drysdale Sniper, Drysdale Structure, Pollen. That's what I'm using right now. So once I play around with it and I come back out of it, I can just hit Pollen and that goes right back to what I had. So playing around with it, save yourself some settings. So if something goes on with your unit, you can always get back to it. Go back to Drysdale, go back to my Pollen setting. A couple fish out there, 36 feet. Go get them. Let's go get them. Chris Brown. I was there. Oh, there we go. He came and got me. Came and got me. I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna hit the brakes so that you can throw that one at 24 feet. That's another fat fish.
Good fish, that boy.
Yeah, but you gotta go get him. You gotta go get him.
Okay.
Again, see, I didn't see my bait, but I saw that fish turn around and start running. I'm at 10 feet. Back up on him. Where you at? I think you might be across the beam a little bit. There she goes. Oh, that might be a white. The way it got me, that might be a white. Nope, that's a crappie. That's a big crappie. That's a big crappie. I got this one. But see, I saw my bait just a touch, and then I saw her react. This reaction thing, look. I said I didn't think I had my bait pulled up. I didn't need it. She didn't need it. There you go. Gotta be right there and about right now. There you go. Come on. Ah, set. You didn't feel it?
Yeah.
That would have been some good Livescope footage to have had him on there.
Oh, yeah.
But I ain't recording it, so.
All right, you got to record now.
No, I'm not recording the live
okay.
scope. That's recording.
Oh, okay.
So,
all right. Yeah.
GoPro's recording.
All right. But this was on a homemade jig.
There you go. Where the jig at? Let's take a look at that jig.
Of course, I ain't got no name for it yet, but it is a homemade CB Kemp special.
Okay. What you making about? Look at that. That's one thing I will not do, folks. I will not make my own jigs.
That's a part of a deer tail.
Oh, okay.
It worked.
It worked.
It worked anyway.
Everybody I know say they make their own jigs, and man, it gets addictive. I'm like, I don't want no part of it then. That's just what I need, and something else.
It wasn't that hard to make, actually.
We're gonna call that the Kemp Special.
All right. One of a kind.
There you go. It looked good.
You got that joker. That was all right there.
Come on up down here. White. One of these whites.
Oh, really? He still went and got it, bro. He saw him out there. Put it on him.
Yeah, he behind the water column. What was it, 3 feet deep, 4 feet deep? It's like when you do that, I'll throw past it to see my bait, and then you gotta start reeling right now. Get it, pull it up, and then just start reeling to keep it up. Otherwise, it'll get below. Now, those, I had bled out some fish last time I came up here. And it's like, okay, well, let's just see. You know, people bleed them out. Oh, you bleed your crappie, they taste different, blah. I don't know that I buy that. What I do buy is it's better, it's easier, cleaner and cleaning them. When you clean them, less bloody. Don't drop on her head there. Kemp, don't drop on her head. Yep. See you come down to the side right there. I'll get it right there. There you go, she right there. Right on her head. She ain't turning. Let's go to this one up. That one's turning. That one's coming. There you go. That one coming got you. That look like a... Oh!
Ugly cat. Ugly cat. You can't even get it, though.
We said you wanted to dummy.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Be careful what you add, what you pray for. You get it.
Got that right.
I want a dummy, okay? Yeah.
All right, let go now. Let go. Oh, you let go too. Thank you. Have a good day. I ain't keeping no catch today. Not today. But I appreciate the bite though.
Yeah. Net. Yep. I think he hooked in the top of the mouth. So I probably both of them. She gulped it. She gulped it.
Getting what been some good ones.
The one that was with her started chasing her up. Don't leave me. You don't have to be with her without her for long if you stick around. Come on and see her. There we go. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. Told you that was the one. That's the one. Come here, girl. Oh, you at the top of the mouth. You ain't going nowhere.
Put that right in front of her. Right in there.
Couldn't help it. Couldn't help it. She been eating too. Look at her belly. Fatty.
She couldn't help herself.
fish.
Right. Well, she could help us.
All right, YouTube, that is going to wrap up another episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. We got some big Shirleys today. We have a total of 10 fish. It ain't a bunch of them, but they all are quality.
Yes, sir.
Kent, what you got to tell the folks, man? Look at that. Goodness gracious, that is a big fish.
Got some quality fish here. I mean,
That's
these the ones you want.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. As always, man, thanks for coming out. And folks, check out my Livescope settings that I put on there. See if they work for you. If they don't, it's all good. But even if they do, you still have to tweak your Livescope settings as you fish with this pollen in the water. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits the like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you'll get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. CB Kemp.
Yes, sir.
Catching more of these evil but showing us tasty crappie.
That's it.
So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
All right. What was this, a 1-7?
Yeah, 1-7.
1-7.